Hey guys, welcome to Dow Jones Futures and ES Futures Review. I'm going to try to be as brief as possible. Please refer to past videos for more updates on what's been going on. Very simply, very quickly, this bull flag has developed since end of June. We broke out of it middle of August, tested it twice, all to the T, all preset levels. This bull flag adjusts as things expand, but it hasn't been adjusted probably since somewhere around, I would say, beginning of August. So it was a great bull flag. We clearly broke out of it, back tested it, and held. Perfect setup, failed breakdown of the previous back test, so can't get better than that. Moving forward, since the third week of August, we've been bull flagging, I would say, above this level. So I think I would signify this level around 4,500 as very important, and any flush and recoveries of this could definitely be a great setup to go long. However, we did tag it Tuesday early morning, and from there we've kind of just gone up. Let's go into a 15-minute chart now. And one thing I do want to do actually is I'm going to soon expand this bull flag because we're reaching the end of it. But anyways, here we finished at the high of the day right below this reclaim level. We didn't quite tag it. One could maybe adjust this level down a little bit if they wanted to, but realistically for me, I did think that we needed a little bit more juice to get above. So at the open, nothing really happened. We didn't backtest this dip and recovery level, nor did we break out. We just kind of stood in place all through the night last night and then all this morning. When I woke up around 6:30, I noticed we had a little cluster of lows right here, as well as the low we set in the open yesterday. So my first inclination is maybe we can flush these lows and recover this little minor level above. Otherwise, ideally flush these lows for a great dip in recovery / failed breakdown. We did dip below this at 9:30. It was perfect, but it happened really quick, and I kind of missed it actually. So what I did is I waited. I was patient. We came back and back tested the level right here. That would have been the trigger. So I ended up taking a long there. Why? Because I thought we were super bullish. We held this bull flag support 3 times, as well as this very important 4,500 level. And since we didn't tag this, but we bounced a couple times here, I thought that we're just gonna look to rip, and that's what ended up happening. We ripped over 20 points almost, and now we're at this level that we're consolidating at. We hit it, we sold a little bit, now we're trying to push through. That is the update on Dow Jones Futures. My current targets would be this bull flag resistance. Once we can hit that, maybe dip a little bit and then come back up. My target up above would still be around 46.3, and I think we'll get there possibly end of this week, if not early next week. It's only about 70 points away, 80 points away. Going real quick to ES futures, looking at more of a higher time frame first real quick. We're still flagging above the flag from earlier this summer. We're also in a megaform pattern where I'm targeting now something like at this point 65. I'd say I'm targeting about 65 at least right now. So maybe we can get there in a rush. If not, the target just gets higher and higher. Yesterday afternoon, we backtest this bull flag middle support one more time. At this point now, this resistance is clear. For 64.80 is the resistance I'm looking for more upside. So that is the reclaim level. Let's go to a 15-minute chart real quick and get down to business. We opened last night around this area. There was not much to do. There was a reclaim level above that occurred at 8 o'clock where we pushed through, held, and went up a couple levels. Not really the best setup as you're really extended, not much of a backdrop here. If you lose the low, you could be looking at 30 points. It's a way too much of a risk in my opinion, so not much of a setup. Overnight, we just flagged and consolidated above this major 64-61 level. That was the resistance earlier yesterday, and now today it became a support. We did something that's really awesome that I'm really getting locked in with. So we did a little bit of a dip and recovery, kind of like direct tag long here around 9.15. I didn't take it because to me it was just way too risky when there's these lows below. I waited for the trap. The trap worked out perfect. We tagged the minor level below, recovered this cluster of lows from the overnight, went right up, and then reclaimed this one level above. Go long at 64.65, targeting this major level. Boom, 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 all done and set. Right now I'm targeting now this upper resistance of the bull flag in ES. Maybe we'll get there today, maybe not. Ideally, we can continue to pull back a little bit from here. Maybe a dip and recover, fail breakdown these lows, if not even as low as this. And that could set up a nice long position as we try to take out this resistance. So that's what I'm looking at right now in ES and Dow Jones. More updates soon. Have a great day.